Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're at the Kincaid Legacy in Plano, Texas. This is Kincaid Legacy in Plano, Texas. And this is the 7th floor. We've seen the resident lounge already, and now I'm gonna take a look at the business center. So the business center is here, and we're gonna go just peek in the business center. Oh, pretty cool, wow. Okay, this is very, very nicely separated. You can see that this is an open area and you've got plugs that you can just work in. And there's a pool out here. We're gonna see that on the next video, but this is great because it's quiet and yet you can work, as a group. But then you've got looks like offices and conference rooms and things like that. So there's 3 of those. Very cool. You can see people are using them. It's a great area. Wow. Okay. Very, very impressive. It's one of the better and more used places. I really, really like it. So that's the business and co-working area here at the Kincaid Legacy. If you have any questions or you're ready to take a virtual or live tour, send me a text. Just use the number below. Hey, now next, I'm going to go out and see this pool.